Okay, I'm about to go cut my hair because I fried off my hair, which I've done 1,000 times, but I just keep doing it because I don't really care. So what I'm gonna do is cut my bangs. I've been debating cutting my bangs for months, like months and months and months and months. Pretty much ever since I started growing them out again. So I think I'm gonna cut them longer this time because I had baby bangs for like 2 years, and then I had longer bangs for like 6 months, and I grew them out completely to down here, and now I don't like them. So, so I'm gonna go cut my hair now. Let's freaking do this. This is what my hair looks like right now. Very long, very boring. I'm going to make a freaking triangle. Kind of start far back. Dad, you wanna come look? I don't know if I'm grabbing too much hair or too little hair or what. Like, I think I'm just going to cut it like from here to and then from here.
I like that, yeah.
And this is enough hair, I think. I'm gonna start longer than I think I need to. Okay, so that barely did anything. Ah! Standing in a nice dress, staring at the sunset, babe. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna chop like this. Wow, these scissors are so freaking nice. Okay, so that's what I have so far. Definitely needs some freaking help. I don't know how to do this. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Okay, I think that actually looks pretty decent. Except for right here, it looks kind of weird. Maybe I need to fade it more into my hair. Okay, I think that looks good. Okay, now to duplicate it on this side. Shorter. So I like can't see. I'm trying to cut in front of my face. Okay. Okay, Cassie, you come and look and tell me what you freaking think. They definitely need to be styled, obviously, but okay, I think this needs to go. Thing is with this, you barely touch your hair and it's like chopped off.
That's awesome.
Because they're so sharp.
This needs to be more gradual.
Yeah. That's what I keep trying to do, but I keep going back in and it's like not really doing much. Cassie, literally be careful. Because like,
oh, these are amazing.
Yeah, you just, Cassie, you threw it in my coffee. Now my coffee has a water in my hair. I think it'll stick together.
I had no idea. I'm sorry.
I'm just gonna start like hacking up hairballs.
I can't believe you still drink.
Okay, you just blew on my face.
I can't believe you still drink it.
Red lips on the tricks. You lift my feet.
Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Run,
I
run,
look
run.
like I have a
Run,
mop
run,
on
run.
my
No, I'm gonna tell Audrey what you look like. Come here.
You're so mean. Don't be mean to me.
What character in The Princess Bride does she look like?
I told her she looks like that.
She does that all the time, you piece of trash.
I think my actual face looks like that. I don't think it's my hair. I think it's literally despair.
The pit of despair.
I think it's literally my face. So I can wear it like this if I want to, or I can.
Are you gonna layer your ends a little?
Wear it like that if I want to. Obviously fixed, like fixed a lot better. What? I literally though look like a grandmother. I think this is so cute. I'm a grandmother.
I'm a grandmother.
Help! Oh, someone's pulling up. Great. I just rolled my window all the way up and started filming, and then my neighbors came outside, so I'm like literally staring at them. Give me a minute. I have you propped up with a sock right now. But me and Mar, nope, your Scar, you look so dark in the camera. Okay, I love you. Me and Scar are here to tell you that this is what my hair looks like now. Huh, Scar? Do you see the neighbors too? You wanna come down here with me? Come here. Come here. Oh, okay, I'll just let you stay up there. So, this is what my hair looks like now. I filmed that video actually probably like 2 weeks ago. So I never filmed what it looked like in the end. So it's grown out probably a tad bit. You can tell that I have a little bit of root now, but this is the gist of what it looks like, or what it looked like after I cut it. I haven't changed anything, I haven't cut anything, and this is my hair just air dried, and then I straightened the like bottom inch so that it wasn't like curling in and stuff. I really like it. I love it a lot. Audrey's still making fun of me about it, but I think it's a cute haircut. Scar, can you not do that right now? Oh, now Mar comes to say hi. Both of you guys. Mar, you literally can't even see you in the camera. What, baby? What are you doing? But yeah, all I wanted to say was thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. I love filming hair videos. I say that all the time. They're like my favorite videos to film, and I like to be very experimental with my hair. So if you want to watch more of these types of videos, I will link the bedhead hair series playlist in the inside of this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!